I can't tell you how long I've been trying this. Let's go. Sales in a day.
Today, I'm going to be starting a Shopify dropshipping business using Snapchat ads with only a $50 budget. I'm going to be finding a winning product, ripping some creatives, building a Shopify store, and setting up some Snapchat ads, all for under 50 bucks. Thank you guys so much for all the recent support on the channel. We have been absolutely exploding. And with that being said, let's hop right into this video. So in order to find a winning product, I'm going to be using this ad spy tool called Ads Reveal. It's the first ever ad spy that's made specifically for Snapchat ads. They also offer a free trial on the platform, so it fits within our budget. As you guys can see, there's a bunch of different Snapchat ads on the homepage that you can scroll through and download. So let's keep looking for some ads here. I think I'm actually going to check out this perfume. It's called neolure.com. Product page looks like this. It's the pheromone cologne for him. Let's see if they're making any money. To track the revenue of the store, I'm going to be using Shop Hunter. They also offer a free trial, so it fits within our budget. All you got to do is paste the link right into Shop Hunter, hit add shop, and it'll tell you the revenue they've been generating. Dang, this store has been printing. They've been doing about $1,000 to $2,000 every single day. Today was one of their low days with only 700 in sales, but this is definitely a potential winning product. I'm kind of interested in selling this, so I'm going to look up pheromone. A bunch of different pheromone brands pop up, so let's just see if any of these are making sales. Okay, only $60 today, not great. Let's see this. Hue Cosmetics. Dang, 110K this month. It looks like this one's doing pretty well, about $3,000 to $4,000 in sales every single day. And they're selling the pheromone perfume for women to attract men. Let's see if we can find another store that's making money with this product. I'm also going to be leaving a link to Shop Hunter down in the description below. If you don't have to pay, and you can track up to 3 stores for completely free. Here's another example of the pheromone ad, aurapheromones.com. Let's just track their store real quick. Damn, 70,000 this month. So these people are also doing 2K days with the Aura Attraction perfume. So this looks like it's doing pretty well with a buy one get one free offer for $25. So I think we've got enough data to conclude that this female pheromone perfume is a winning product. Let's see if we can find some creatives for it on TikTok. So just search pheromone real quick. Here's the one we just saw actually. No. Oh. So as you guys can see, this is a really high quality creative, and I think it'll work perfectly on Snapchat. I'm just going to download these creatives real quick and use them on my Snapchat ads. As you guys can see, the product is only $3 on AliExpress. So at $15, that would be a 5x markup, which is pretty good actually. I'm going to be using this Shopify link to build a store for just $1. It's only $1 a month for 3 months. Using my link below is the best way to support this channel, and I would really appreciate it if you do so. So I'm just going to whip up a store real quick, and I'll get back to you guys when it's finished. All right, I just finished the store build. Here it is. Take a look. As you can see, we got the pheromone perfume product photos right here. I used an AI actually to upscale this image so it looks extra high quality. Now we got a couple of photos of women with it and another photo of the vial. Perfect. Pheromone Attraction perfume. It's a new secret scent to attract men, start getting compliments daily, and smell sexier and more attractive. As you can see, we got 7 to 10 day shipping. It'll arrive fairly quickly. The #1 key to romance is here. We got a few gifts, images, the sticky cart down here at the bottom. This is really important to make sure they don't forget to add it to cart. Next, we got a couple more gifts, some images, and here's our testimonials. It smells so good. My hubby loves it. Very attractive. What makes us special, and our product reviews at the bottom. I wasn't able to find any really great images on AliExpress, but this one's pretty good, and this one is also pretty good. And then we just have a bunch of random 5 stars at the bottom. So that's the website build. Now let's hop straight into setting up our Snapchat ads. Okay, so I'm here on the Snapchat ads platform, and I'm just going to create a campaign. I'm going to hit start over. We're going for website conversions. We're going to call it Pharaoh1. Status active. Okay, we're going to start it immediately. Daily spend cap, we're going to put $50. And we're going to put no lifetime on the spend cap. So automatic placement, United States and Canada. Boom. We're gonna change it to 17 to 50 plus, and we're targeting all genders. Operating systems all, connection type all, status active, auto bid. Perfect. Now we're gonna be doing the single image or video. Okay. Creatives are uploading. So our last creative just finished uploading. All I gotta do now is review and publish. Starting on August 3rd, daily $50, running indefinitely, wide open on everything. Snapchat pixel attacks, goal is pixel purchase. Let's publish the campaign and hopefully we get some sales. I'll check back with you guys tomorrow morning and let you guys know the results. So it's the next morning. I just woke up. It's currently 7:30. We have spent a total of $6.94 so far. We got 2,000 impressions and cha-ching, $15 sale. So I'll keep you guys updated. All right, so the ads have been spending this morning a little bit more. Let me show you how it's going. So as you guys can see, we spent $30, 7,000 impressions, 85 clicks with a 1% click-through rate, so not terrible. The spend has been pretty even across our ad sets. Now let me show you guys the Shopify metrics. So as you guys can see, we got 41 add to carts, 42 reach checkouts, and 1 conversion. I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully we can get some more sales.
What's going on, boys? This is day 3 of the challenge. In the last clip, I spent like $40 on Snapchat ads. I've been at my grandparents' house, so I haven't really been able to make update videos, but let me show you the results.
So I raised my ad group budget to $100 per day. I made a bunch of ad sets and just started doing super broad targeting. As you guys can see, I've spent $300 on Snapchat ads. Check out the dashboard, boys. Yes, sir. We are absolutely going crazy. Yesterday, on Friday, day 2 of the challenge, we did $200, and then I just jacked up the ad budgets for today, and we're currently at $986 in the sales. It's 11:47. We're about to see if we can hit a 1K day, so I'll keep you guys updated.
It's currently 11:50 p.m.
I just got the sales notification on my phone. Let's see this. Yes, sir. First ever 1K day.
I can't tell you how long I've been trying this. I hope this video shows you proof that it's possible. My profit margins are actually super slim. I just did the calculations. Hopefully I make a profit, but I think it might be like 20% or below. So we'll see, but let's go. 1K sales in a day.
So there you have it. $0 to $1,000 using Snapchat ads. I honestly can't believe we actually started this challenge with only a $50 budget. And this was the first ever dropshipping store that I've ever scaled with paid advertising. I want to let you guys know that I'm still running this store right now, and that's why I couldn't reveal all the details. But in 2 weeks, I'm going to be dropping another video explaining all the details about this store, exactly how much we made. I'm almost at 5K in sales. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for that video. I'm going to be revealing the exact offer I ran, the full entire website, the exact creatives I used, the profit margins, and everything else you guys are going to want to know. Make sure to stick around for that video because it's going to be an absolute banger. I hope you guys enjoyed this one though. If you did, drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.